Greetings, workplace innovators. Hello, intrapreneurs. If you're like me, you like creating solutions rapidly and on the fly, and spreadsheets are fantastic for that. One of the dysfunctions of a spreadsheet, number 5 on our top 10 list, is mixed formatting, mixed data formatting within a given set of cells. Most typically, that would be exemplified within a single column. So let's just say we've got a column where we're tracking numbers, but we also happen to put text in it once in a while. I'll create this quickly here. So let's say we're going to track total number of middle school students and high school students. We got 100 here, we got 180 there. We've got, oh, this one's a big one. We got 500 and we got 1,500 people here. And this one is, oh, unknown. Or maybe this one's NA, that sort of stuff, right? Actually, we do know the number of high school students in this example, but we don't know the number of middle school students. And so what happens is we can do that dutifully, making tons of good data entry down this whole sheet. And really what we're trying to do is we're trying to capture status inside of that cell in addition to a number. So it's really two pieces of data. One is a status of whether we know it or not. The other is if we know it, then the actual number. And so what can happen is, of course, we've all seen it, the dreaded error in our formula. That works, this works, but what about that? No value can compute. We've seen that all too often, and the reason is Excel kind of chokes on that collision of data. There's ways around it. One of the simplest would be, it gets a little wide here, but would be to say, if we're tracking a status and it's knowable, then let's keep our data, and let's just leave this cell empty, and we'll essentially track our status over here. If you're inside of a rapid application development environment, like over here inside of Claris FileMaker Pro, then much easier, right? So if we need to have a total number of middle school students, why that could become a legit number field. And same thing with high school students, and that can be a number field, and total is just as easy as a calculation. Our middle school plus our high school students equals our total. And again, we're going to specify into a robust and scalable rapid application development environment like Claris FileMaker, we're going to specify those data types, and that makes all the difference. Thanks a lot. Enjoy.